Tired of missing leads because you don't have a contact form in Pipedrive? In 5 minutes, I'll show you exactly how to set one up. It's one of those things that once you know how to do it, you'll wonder why you didn't do it sooner. So here's the plan. We'll start in Pipedrive, navigate to Web Forms, select the Contact Us template, customize it, and publish it. Let's go. All right, first things first. Open up your Pipedrive account. You should be looking at your main dashboard. Now, on the left side of your screen, you'll see a sidebar with a bunch of options. Go ahead and click on Leads. This is where all your incoming lead information lives and where your new form data will eventually end up. Right underneath Leads, you should see an option that says Web Forms. It's tucked under something called Lead Booster. Click on that. You might be prompted with a short intro screen here. Just click Continue to Web Forms to move past it. Once you're in the Web Forms section, you'll see a button that says Create Form. Give that a click. This might take just a moment to load, but you'll soon be looking at a page titled New Web Form. This is your blank canvas. Now, pay attention to this first setting. Look for a drop-down menu labeled Language. The form you're building will talk to your visitors in whatever language you pick here, so choose the one that makes sense for your audience. Once you've selected your preferred language, scroll down just a little. You'll see a section called Choose Form Template. There are a few options here, but we're going with Contact Us. Select that one. And here's where it gets exciting. On the right side of the screen, you'll see a live preview of your form updating in real time. It should show exactly what your visitors will see. Take a second to look it over. Make sure the form includes the standard fields you'd expect. You should see a field for name, one for email, one for phone, and a larger text area labeled Your Message. These are the essentials for catching a lead. When you're happy with what you see, click the Next button in the bottom right corner. Now we're in the customization phase. You can add or remove fields if you need something different, but in my experience, the Contact Us template is already pretty solid right out of the box. If you want to add a drop-down for a subject line or a checkbox for consent, this is where you do it. After you've tweaked the fields to your liking, take a look at the form settings. These are usually on a tab or a section nearby. Here, you can set things like where the submitted data goes and whether you want an automatic reply email sent to the person who fills out the form. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click the Save button. Your form is now saved to your account. But we're not done yet. You need to publish it so people can actually use it. Look for the Publish button. It might be in the top right corner or near the Save option. Click that and your form goes live. Now you need to get this form out into the world. You'll see an option to copy a direct link to the form, or you can grab an embed code to place it directly on your website. The embed code is great if you want the form to live on a specific page of your site. The link is perfect for sharing in an email or on social media. Copy whichever one you need, but here's the really important part. Before you send it to a single person, you need to test it. Open a new browser tab, paste in that link, or go to the page where you embedded it and fill out the form yourself. Use a sample name, a test email, and a dummy message. Hit Submit. Then go back to your Pipedrive Leads section. You should see that test submission appear as a new lead. If it shows up, you're all set. If not, double-check your settings. And that's it. You've gone from having no way to capture leads to having a fully functional contact form that does the work for you. It takes just a few minutes to set up, and it can make a huge difference in how many potential customers you actually catch. Now go ahead and get that form in front of your audience.